I would suggest this is the third time I'm doing the same intro, but it's for a different product. So, hello over there and welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Julia, and in today's clip, probably if you check the others, I have the same makeup, same outfit, same everything except the product, alright? I am going to be talking about this Revolution Pro mixing liquid thing that I have not seen anybody talking about this. I really think this is something that I don't hear a lot about it. This is the kind of liquid, like it's a kind of a dupe, I think, from the Inglot. I have no idea how the product is named, but it's that liquid formula to put into a dried down brow product. I'm losing my mind. So you know when your cream brow, Anastasia, whatever, I'm cheap, I'm having the Beep by Superdrug one. It dries down and you want to save it, you don't want to throw it away, especially if you buy the one from Anastasia Beverly Hills, right? And this is basically a dupe of the Inglot. Inglot has its own, and I remember it's very, very, very popular and very expensive, and it's about this size, from what I remember. Maybe I'm over exaggerating, but it's not as big as the one from Revolution Pro, that is for sure. I ended up having this brown, why am I saying brown? I ended up having this brow product myself, extremely dry, right? So I'm just gonna introduce you to this product. So if you wanna see what I think about this product, then keep on watching. So from what I remember, I paid for this £5, right? So this actually has how many? 25 milliliters. And it's insane because when I bought it, I did not check if it has 25 milliliters, and I expected it to be the same tiny bottle as the one from Inglot, right? When I got this, I was like, what the hell? Because it's huge. I have this for around a year and a half, and let's just talk for how much I used out of it. Like, tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. Like, it's insane. It does work very, very nicely with a brow pomade that is dried down. I love it so much. It makes the formula as brand new, and I don't have to throw this one out. Like you can see, this is beaten up because of that product from Revolution Pro. Like, if it wasn't for that liquid, this would be at this time, probably by this time, in the bin. So for how cheap it is, how big it is, I think it's insanely cheap. I also tried it to mix with like shimmers that are harder. So scraping the shimmer, I don't like to put it in the pan of the product. When it comes to eyeshadows, I like to scrape it and then, you know, combine it with this. I did that sometimes, very rare because I'm lazy, but it works. It actually does make the formula much smoother. Obviously it's the same drill, it kind of like refreshes the product. So you can definitely use that in that way as well. I'm not quite sure how long this video is going to be, but my conclusion is this is huge, this is cheap, this works. And I'm like, seriously, the package, like the hugeness of this shocks me the most. Not how good it is, just how big it is. So far so good. I hope this clip, which was probably short, was useful and relevant, and it gave you an idea about that product. If you want to see more clips to this kind of like genre where I talk only about one product, then definitely subscribe. I have loads are coming in your way as well. I do definitely upload weekly. It's usually Tuesday and Thursday. However, I sometimes upload in other days too. It really depends on my schedule, but I am consistent. There's at least one clip every single week. So I will suggest you hit that notification bell button just to be notified when I upload. But yeah, I'll hopefully see you within the next video. Bye.